Hi everyone, welcome to Mechanical News Channel. Time to take value for your time watching this video. In this video, how to apply for HCL Tech in Bangalore. Now opening for engineer in Python. Python automation testing vacancy. This qualification is required for typically requires minimum of 3 years experience in Python automation, bachelor or master degree in engineering, electronics. The domain is electronics, engineering in electronics. Roles and responsibilities given the company website. Please go through. I will share the link in job description. Okay, just I scroll down, just I show the window. What are the roles and responsibility? Now showing how to apply. Here this link is open. Next you get the job description and all. Just you write your name, mail id, year of experience, year, month, 5 years, 4 months. Just you put it your mobile number and which country and state, and updated your resume. Here share your resume and then you click OK. Then submit your application. Just go through the job description. Perform thermal testing on consumer electronic products using the thermal chambers and relevant data acquisition equipment. Prepare the detailed test plans, assess the thermal health and of consumer electronic products by considering regular and corner end consumer scenarios. Set up the device for the test cases by following these device related commands. Please go through the job description in full. Recruit technical and professional experiences, excellent with Python scripting, experience in Python automation testing, experience with hardware testing and relevant tools. This is the technical and professional experience for recruit this job. Just go through and then you apply. Who are looking for Python automation testing engineer in location Bangalore. This is HCL Tech Company. This is for the direct company recruitment. Please share your friends and colleagues. Thank you for watching this video. Please share and support for Mechanical News channel. I will update for daily current vacancy jobs all over India. Thank you for watching this video.